Hello everyone, my name is Trey, and I'm going to teach you how to tie a half Windsor knot. So first, you're going to take the tie, put it around your neck. You want to have the longer, thicker piece of the tie be a little bit longer, and the skinnier part is going to be a little bit shorter. I normally measure right where the little tag is in the back. There's normally a tag on the back of the tie, and I normally put the skinnier part right at where the tag is. And then what you're going to do is take the thicker half of the tie and put it underneath the thin one, and then you're going to wrap it around the skinnier part, and you're going to pull it up through here just like so. And then you're going to take that big thick part again, pull the hole and stick it right in there, pull down, and there you basically have your half Windsor knot. And then pull on the skinnier part to tighten it up, get it up nice and high where you want it, measure it out, make sure that it's the right length, pull it up, bring the collar down, and you're ready to go.